Hey folks, it's the Blind Guy here with a real quick product review. I think this is almost more of a gift idea because I think this is pretty awesome. And it's one of those things that you're either going to like or you're not going to like it. So the review's not necessarily as important with something like this. But this is a gift hot sauce kit from Smokehouse. And it comes with, as you can see, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different little hot sauces in it, and they're all pretty good. We have apple whiskey jalapeno, smoky bourbon, which is really pretty hot, buffalo sauce, fire jalapeno, pineapple mango green pepper, which is an interesting one, mango habanero, and the last one is bacon cayenne. So they're all very good. None of them are crazy hot. Like I said, that habanero one's fairly hot. I said pineapple mango green pepper. It's pineapple mango ghost pepper. That's actually the hottest one. But none of them are like kill you, make you regret life type hot. They still have pretty good flavor. The only issue I have with this is they're fairly small. I'll open it up here and show you. But I do believe the company does sell them individually in larger bottles. But you can see they're a fairly small bottle. But I've been trying them on pizza lately, and they've been pretty amazing. So if that's something you're interested in getting, and you also would like to support the channel, the link is in the description below. Like I said, I enjoy hot sauces, and I think this is a great way of getting 10 different ones and not spending $12 a bottle like you normally would for hot sauce. So that's the gift set from Smokehouse. Link is in the description below. Thank you guys so much for all the support you guys give me, the comments, and my subscribers. Like I said, I do this for fun. It's just to help you guys out. And so that's another product review from the Blind Guy's View. Laters on the Menjay.
Laters on the Menjay.